Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozwaza Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mzansi will celebrate a birthday yaBuyipule Senoge yesterday umhla 4 May 2025 jobe kakhulu uConstable Senoge kanti nabantu abaningi abavakalise kuva buhlungu ngenxa yokuthi usishiya emhlabeni nje usishiya kanye asekuduze nokuthi akube lilanga lakhe lokukhula guys. So kubhlungu indlela lesimanga guys. Indaba sengakangqwashwa so itolo their families bahambe lapha bayendzaweni yesigameko lapha eHinops River lapha eSentureni ku-N1 baya kubalanza umphefumulo yabo. We know ukuthi kunabantu vele labenda amasiko ukuthi uma umuntu ashone le ndleleni kufuna bawolanza moya wakhe bawuhambise ekhaya. If you know that you know that, and if you don't then you don't. So guys, abantu abaningi basho nje ukuthi le nhlekelele lena kuyinhlekelele labangeke baze bayikhohlwe guys. Yohlala njena ibhlungu, and nebantu basho noma bandlula laphana kuyohlala nje kufika ukuthi kambe lana akwendakalani. So kubhlungu indlela lesimanga guys, kubhlungu because even their families they were hoping ukuthi batobuya mhlambe balele amafoni abaweva, but they didn't just think the worst. Abaqabanga positive ukuthi hayi cha mhlambe balele mhlambe network yobotende njalo, but kuva ukuthi abasekho emhlabeni akubalimatile kwalimata angisho neMzansi kakhulu. Lokhu kugcina kwenta ukuthi laba abantu still bangabelieve nokuthi lena akube ingoti yemoto. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.